Box 1 is so good that it tricks you into thinking you'll learn the whole pentatonic scale. Today I'll show you a different way of looking at the pentatonic scale, and we will learn 5 killer licks. The tabs are in a free PDF, the link's in the description. You probably already know this position of the pentatonic scale, but let me show you a few tricks that make a big difference. First, let's start on the 12th fret on the 5th string. A, this is the root. As you start on the first position here, it's the same A, but in this case, 1 octave higher. So if you have a tendency to start on the root, or it's your safe place, then this starting point will make you feel at home right away. Now, another little trick. When we play the blues note in the first position of the pentatonic, we play it here and here. But many times I have students who could only play the blues note in the first position. So let's find it here in the 3rd position. It's here on the 11th fret on the 1st string. It's the same note as this one. So this slightly tweaked 3rd position looks like this. Now let me show you some cool things you can play in this position. Let's start with this lick. The notes are exactly the same as in the first position, nothing changed, but the way this box is organized lets you play things that immediately sound different. This first lick uses the blues note on the 1st string, and it's a great example of how can you break away from the usual patterns and come up with something different. The second example sounds more melodic, and there's a reason for that. This 3rd position overlaps with probably the most popular minor arpeggio pattern. The root of the arpeggio and the scale are in the same place, so we will combine them. What would the pentatonic scale be without a repetitive lick? For this next one, we'll play a fast legato sequence with the blues note. Repeat the pattern a few times and finish with the bend. There's a little plot twist for lick number 4. We will add the blues note on the 4th string right here. And we'll bring it back on the 1st string as well. This last lick is short and simple, yet very effective for creating tension or even resolving a longer phrase. Hopefully this showed you there's a lot more to the pentatonic scale than the first box. And if you want the tabs for all the licks, they're in a free PDF, the link's in the description. And if you're looking for 5 more rock licks to add to your playing, watch this next video. I'll see you there.